My name's Chris. We're here with Optimum in Avonlea, my hometown. They needed the rink shingles, so we got donations from GAF, Optimum Roofing, and Convoy, our suppliers, to lessen some of the costs for doing the project. Definitely grew up playing hockey in the rink, and I guess anything that I can do, and Derek's helped out, the owner of Optimum. It's just nice that I could help out. I mean, the president of the rink board just asked for a quote, and so I gave him a quote of our regular pricing, and then once we got awarded it, I was able to bring it down significantly just to save some money for the town.